What up, YouTube? This is Snot Juice. I'm gonna bust a 2009 Upper Deck Spectrum on cam. I already opened up all my other stuff. I got a couple decent cards. Nothing. I can see why that stuff's only like 30 bucks a box, but hey. Oh, I'll show you. Out of my other stuff, I got a Carlos Quentin jersey card. I don't know if these are still worth anything, but an Obama, McCain presidential predictors. Then I get an auto of Eric Chavez, auto of Irvin Santana, jersey of Brandon Webb. This is kind of nice. A Hillary Clinton manufactured litter patch, number 5 out of 50. And Red Hot rookie number 10. I don't know who that is. I didn't look it up yet. I got a black John Smoltz, number 19 out of 57. A couple mantles, Lance Berkman jersey, Timmy Lincecum gold card, some mantles, autograph of Carlos Reyes, Morneau gold, Carlos Quentin jersey. So 30 bucks a box, what the hell. Let's see if I get anything decent out of here. Oh, and I got this Jed Levine refractor. 14 packs, so it's not too bad. Oh, I should get a couple hits, maybe a celebrity auto. Let's see, Carl Crawford, Dayton Drew, Jeff Baisley. Fuck my life. What's up with all these athletic hits? Carlos Lee, Griffey. Grady Sizemore, Texera, Ichiro. Troy Tulowitzki, John Lackey, Derek Jeter, Josh Hamilton jersey card. I do like the looks of these. This is the first time I've opened this stuff. I know it's a couple years old, but Michael Young, Adam Dunn. Kevy, fuck you, Dome. Dice K, Victor Martinez. So far, pretty shitty. This one feels thick. You got something, numbered out of 99. Clayton Kershaw jersey. Oh, Joe Mauer base. You can see why this stuff is like 35 bucks a box. Got something else here? Anything better? Nope. Numbered base out of 99 of Jonathan Papelbon. Tejada, Jose Reyes, David Wright, Joakim Soria. Jimmy Rollins, I got something for the Red Sox. Jersey card, Dustin Pedroia, numbered out of 99. Huh? Better than these. Let's see. Should get another auto, I would think. Here's a Roy Halladay number out of 250. John Smoltz, Tomei, Albert Pujols, Frank the Tank Thomas, 2 packs left. This one feels really thick. And it's a really thick decoy. Oh, what's something? It's a chick. Who the fuck is that? Lita Ford. Oh my god. Oh shit, two of them. Be Real. That same pack. That's pretty cool. Don't know if they're any good, but anyways, Lita Ford auto. And Be Real. Never heard of them. Huh. Oh, they're from Cypress Hill. Okay. Well, at least I got two in one pack. And last pack. That's something else. Numbered 50 out of 99. Matt Holliday. Alright, not the best box, but oh well. Peace out.